Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to place effects and add effects in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this is pretty simple. So as you can see here, we can go to the effects tab in the top left corner and let's just remove media pool. So here we have effects right here and you can choose what type of effects that you want to do. So let's say you want a CCTV type of effect like that. So you can also just go through all of these want in effects, and then once you're done going to effects and you want to configure the effects, you just go to inspector and then go to controls. Just place the record light on there so it's recording in the top right corner, as you can see right here. So it's gonna be right there, so you can turn it on or off. So there, and there you go. So basically this is how you add effects in DaVinci Resolve. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.